if you're going to pull out RMDs anyways, he's been in growth mode, he's been in the market, my RMD requirement's gonna be huge to cover the RMDs for his entire qualified accounts. Hey there, John Stevenson, the Guaranteed Retirement Guy. Today we're going to be talking about using annuities for RMDs. This is a very popular subject right now because a lot of people are retiring. They've got money in qualified accounts such as IRAs, 401ks, and TSPs, and they know that the government is going to be asking for some RMDs, some required minimum distributions, and usually it's age 73 or 75, just depending on what year you were born. So I wanted to talk about that because if you're going to pull out RMDs anyways, why not use it from a guaranteed income source? So you could deplete your account down to zero, and you can do that. And that's why a lot of people don't want to do RMDs, because they're like, well, if I take this out at this rate, I'm going to be out of money by this age. Okay, well, why not just put an annuity contract inside of your IRA, and then you're good to go. So you'd buy one with your 401k or your IRA or wherever your tax deferred money is, and then you would transfer it to the carrier, the insurance company, with the annuity contract, and you would transfer it to a new IRA over there. And then, of course, once you start taking lifetime income, that income will go towards your RMDs. So I'll share an example of a gentleman that I was just working with, and he's got $3.8 million. He's not sure what to do with it. He's been in growth mode. He's been in the market. He's like, I really like the market, but the market's dropped recently, and I'm thinking, well, maybe I should protect it. Then we're talking about RMDs, and he's like, yeah, my RMD requirement's gonna be huge. He's got most of his 3.8 million in IRAs. So he's gonna have to do something. So anyways, he could take it out as is and just liquidate as it goes along, as they're gonna require him to do, or he could buy an annuity. So I showed him a lifetime annuity. It was $1.4 million, and it was gonna pay him 150 grand a year. I think that was the highest payout, was 150 grand. So, and he had RMDs. I think we were figuring out his RMDs would probably be 130,000. Of course, they go up from there because his balances are going to go up. But he's still going to cover it for a while. And then if he wants to, take some out of his other accounts to satisfy the rest of it, he can. But I just like I love the fact that he can use some guaranteed income to cover the RMDs for his entire qualified accounts. Like, that's what I love. And so people don't realize they can do that. I'm just letting you know you can. So I'm walking around here in the snow. There's a little bit of snow on the ground. It's not too bad today, but we're going to get some more snow here in a couple days. So anyways, just show you a little bit of snow, a little bit of river. Still walking on some grass. It'll get thicker here. January, February, March. We get pummeled with snow, which is fun. If you like to ski and snowboard, it's great. So anyways, but it's pretty. It's great fishing spot. Going towards that way is Lake Tahoe. And right beyond those trees is Hope Valley. So, and back over here, if you drive further, you go up to Kirkwood Resort, ski resort. So another 20 minutes that way. Anyways, all right. Well, there you go. There's your tour for today. These annuities can be great for RMDs. They can be great for growth. I mean, I showed him a Lincoln and a Delaware product as well, because he was like, well, I don't really want my money to go out. I don't want it to run out, because with a lifetime annuity, it would run out in like 15 years. The income won't. It goes on forever. But he still wants to keep his money. So I said, well, then do a growth product. Do Lincoln or Delaware and have some index growth. You get a lot more, and you can take out money that way. But if he wanted to maintain the account, he couldn't take out 150 or 130. He'd have to take out like 100,000, and then he could probably maintain his account balance. So anyways, we were looking at that as well, and so that's an option. And then he didn't want to do a MIGA until I showed it to him. And I showed him, hey, 5.75. Here's what it grows to. Use this too. I mean, it's good rates right now, and he wasn't considering it until he saw how much his money grew, and he's like, oh, well, that could be a good option too. So he wants growth, and I get it. He wants to be in the stock market. I get that too. I'm in the stock market. But do you know what? When we get older, we don't like risk so much. I mean, risk is fun when you've got your guarantees, and when you're young and you've got your income and you just know you're going to keep earning money, you're okay with risk because you know you can bounce back and you're not going to retire for a while. But when you're retired or you're close to it, you can't afford to take that kind of risk. Otherwise, you're playing with fire, and he knows this. And so he's going to have to come to terms at some point. But hopefully he does it when the market's up, not when it's down. But the funny thing is a lot of people reach out to me when the market is down and not when the market's up, because we all feel pretty confident when things are going our way. But unfortunately, that's not a great way to plan. If you want to plan well. Buy an annuity when rates are high, and plan things out a couple years in advance if you can. You're just going to do a lot better for yourself, and you'll be grateful. So, anyways, if you're looking to buy an annuity, go to my website, johnstevenson.com. You will see the rate calculator. You'll see the annuities. Play with the calculator, and then if you're thinking an annuity would be right for you, then book a call with me. There's a link right there, and we'll get on a Zoom call and we can chat. Otherwise, you can book a call right below this video here, and you can get on my calendar there too, and we'll get on a Zoom call. So anyways, won't try to sell you anything, but if you are looking to purchase an annuity with me, then please book a call. Be happy to help and answer your questions. So anyways, hope you enjoy the video. I enjoy making these. It's beautiful out here, although my hands are freezing. It's just going to get colder. So that's the price you pay to be out in nature sometimes, but it's worth it. So anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, share, comment below if you got questions, and we'll see you next time. Hey, I really appreciate you watching the video today. If any of it makes sense to you, or if you found value, or if you even got a question about anything, I hope that you'll go to the comments section and ask it. There's no stupid question, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you.